In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order online from Dunkin' Donuts. If you're in the Philippines and you want a quick and easy way to get your favorite Dunkin' items delivered, this process is very simple once you know where to start. Dunkin' can be ordered online through a few official options, including the Dunkin' PH app, the Dunkin' e-store, and GrabFood. In this guide, we'll focus on using GrabFood since it's a convenient option for browsing nearby branches and placing an order from your phone or computer. To begin, open GrabFood and make sure you already have an account set up. This is important because you'll need to be signed in before you can place an order, view available stores in your area, and complete checkout smoothly. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in first so everything is ready before you start browsing. Once you're on GrabFood, head to the search bar and type in Dunkin' Donuts. This will help you quickly find the restaurant listing without having to scroll through lots of other food options. Be sure to spell it clearly so the most relevant results appear right away. After the search results load, look for Dunkin' in the list and click on it to open the store page. At this point, you'll usually see the menu, available categories, and the items currently offered by that specific branch. Keep in mind that menus can vary depending on location, so what you see may be slightly different depending on the store serving your area. Now you can start browsing the menu at your own pace. As you look through the available drinks, donuts, and other items, choose anything you'd like to order. Once you find something you want, click the plus sign button to add it to your cart. This is the main action you'll use to begin building your order. Take your time while browsing so you can make sure you're selecting the right items. It's always a good idea to double check quantities before moving on, especially if you're ordering for more than one person. And that's the basic process for ordering Dunkin' online through GrabFood in the Philippines. Start by choosing your platform, make sure your GrabFood account is ready. Search for Dunkin' Donuts, open the store page, and add the items you want by clicking the plus sign. Once you're comfortable with these steps, ordering your favorites becomes fast and easy.